These are the carp that are feeling so free now to swim around. You can actually see them. And then there's an abundance of baby fish here. These are the catfish, barbel. They're all over. This is a sign of life. The miracle of fish getting into this water. This was empty in winter. It was dry. It was dry. And now look at what the Lord has done. I feel this is a renewing of the Anointed House of Rescue. I feel as we spend time here cleaning up and sorting out this place, I believe that there was also a spiritual cleansing. Look at that guy, how big he is. Actually quite a big carp. It's so amazing that even after we cleaned up now, the fish are even feeling so free. Just swim around. Look at this. I'm standing right here. They're not even swimming away. Look, they're coming up for the bread. Look how big he is. And there's others swimming together. Look how he's under the water lily. I also left a whole lot of water lilies all over that they love swimming under. And they also have beautiful plants that have come up. Let's look at that. So we thank God for what is going on, and I thank you all for being part of this and for just being able to make this happen. It's even got a little island here. Maybe one day we'll build a bridge and put some chairs there and be able to help people when they come here therapeutically to sit there, look at the water, look at the fish, and pray and just get in touch with God. God bless you all.
But today we're just putting in some of this carp. We're gonna hope they're gonna live. Oh, look!
God.
Yeah, they're gone in. There's one on the bottom. Look how they're shooting it. See how they're swimming.
That's all?
Yeah, let's throw this one.
Dad?
Yeah.